Ready to ditch those dreaded customer service hold times and supercharge your website with instant support? Let's dive straight into setting up and testing a powerful chatbot in Odoo Live Chat. First, navigate to the Live Chat app within your Odoo instance. Next, go to Configuration and then Settings. Scroll down to the Chatbot section and enable it now. Let's create our first script. Click on the Chatbot Scripts option and select Create to build a new script. Give your script a descriptive name so you can easily identify its purpose later. Define the trigger question. This is the question a visitor will type to initiate the conversation. For example, it could be, how can I track my order? Now, define the chatbot's response. You can craft a simple text answer or use more advanced actions like displaying product information or creating a lead for AI integration. Use dynamic placeholders to connect to your configured AI models. Create conversation flows by adding follow-up questions and defining the corresponding actions for each possible answer, building a guided journey for your visitors. It is time to test your chatbot. Access your website where the Live Chat is enabled and initiate a chat. Ask the trigger question you defined and observe the chatbot's response. Ensure that the conversation flows as expected and that the chatbot provides accurate and helpful information. Refine the scripts based on your tests to optimize the user experience. And there you have it, a basic chatbot setup in Odoo. Now go and make your Odoo chatbot.